Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the Revlon One Step Volumizing Hair Dryer. If you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Okay, so this is the look that I achieved. As you can see, my hair does not normally have this kind of volume when I go to the salon. Usually when I go to the salon, my hair is a lot flatter here on the top. So if you notice, I kept like trying to use the bristles that are inside here to kind of like get those roots down. So I kept like brushing and like just pulling. So if you don't like a lot of heat damage, then you don't want to go over it so many times. But I just did that because I really wanted to get the roots as flat as possible. As far as the ends, I kind of like just twirled it around a little bit, kind of like a curling iron, in order to get like some volume on the bottom. But for the most part, the entire hair has a lot of volume. If you like your hair to like kind of have this look where it's a like more body than like being really straight and flat, then this is gonna be really good for you. The only thing that I probably say I don't like about this is when you are doing your hair, like after a while, I noticed like when I got towards the front, this part here was really hot, so I couldn't even like hold on to it that much because it was just so hot and I couldn't touch it. So I wish this had like some kind of maybe rubber or some kind of grip that would stop it from getting hot, because then the cool air like comes out of this vent right here, and this is like where you turn it on and off. You just switch it here, and then this part is pretty good because it moves around and everything, so you don't have a problem with like the cord tangling or anything like that. But I mean, if that was the only thing I would say I didn't like about this, it's just that this part gets really hot, so you can only use it as a brush. Like at one point I was just brushing it down as much as I could. This whole process took me about 30 to 40 minutes because I tried to use like really small portions of hair because I wanted to get it really flat. But obviously it's a volumizer, so if you don't mind your hair having a lot of body, or you want your hair to be like super voluminous, then you know, you don't have to take small sections. For me in the front, I mean, I had a baby, and then like 3 months after I had the baby, all my hair in the front fell out. So this short hair here is just like the hair that's been growing back like the past few months. But like if you really wanted to go like super duper flat, which I don't mind, I don't want to do that. I mean, I guess you can go into this part with a flat iron, but I didn't want to do that. But I'm really happy with this because right now we're under quarantine. I'm in New York City and salons are closed, so this is pretty much the only option, even though I'm not really going anywhere. But if you just want to, like, you know, dress up, you know, go out, even if you're going to the grocery store, whatever, and you want to wash your hair and at least, you know, look decent, then, you know, this is it. This is really good. Instead of like blow drying your hair and then flat ironing after that, this was like 1 2 3 30 minutes, wash your hair, dry it, and go. So if you like this look, thank you for watching. Thumbs up this video. If you have any comments, leave your comments down below. Go ahead and show you the back as well. This is the back. So yeah, I did the best that I could, and I hope you guys like this look. If you have any questions also, you can ask them down below. But besides that, thank you for watching. Bye.